Hi guys, it's Michael here from Michael's Trains Vlogs. I'm here at Coniston for Coniston Part 2 and Vlog 33. Sorry, I'm just tired out from running. Just gonna catch some trains here for you guys, and I'll see you when the train comes. And we have a 4-car Oscar coming for a Port Kembla service. So it is H37. Next stop will be Lysas, followed by Kringilla, Port Kembla North and Port Kembla. And now the Oscar train is departing.
If you have an Opal card, remember to tap on before you get on your train and tap off at your destination to ensure you get the correct fare.
Sorry, that was my dad being silly. If you even heard that. And that's going to Port Kembla. And we have 7BW4. It's running late. Thank you. And R32. LVP 002. And there's a train end. Going to Port Kembla, it came from Brisbane. It's running late because of track work on the T9. And what else was I gonna say? Yeah, it was supposed to come through last night or early in the morning. So yeah, that was good. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below. I'll see you in vlog 34. Bye!